Okay, the pictogram shows information about the number of pictures sold in an art shop in each of January, February, and March. January, February, March. Right, key. One of those squares represents 8 pictures. So that means that in January, we're going to have 8, 8, and 8. So 24 pictures sold in January. Now in February, it's the 8 and the 8 and the 8 again, and that's half a square, so it must be 4. So that will be 28. In March, we've got 8, 8, and another half of a square. 16 makes 20. So that's the total sold each month. Now let's have a look at the questions. Write down the number of pictures sold in January. 24. 12 pictures were sold in April. Right, so I'm going to need one square represents 8. I'm going to need another 4, aren't I, to get my total of 12. So that must be another half square. There we go. Okay, what was the total number of pictures sold in these 4 months? Let's have a look. I've got 24, 28, and 20, and then another 12 here, haven't I? So I'm going to have to do 24, 28, 20, and 12. 24, 28, 20, and 12. 4 and 8 is 12, plus 2 is 14. 2, 4, 6, 8. 84 is my answer. Number 7. Work out the difference in minutes between, the difference in minutes between 1 hour 25 and 1 1/4 hours. Well, let's do 1 hour 25 is 60 minutes plus another 25 minutes. So that makes 85 minutes. Okay. Now, 1 1/4 hours is 60 minutes plus another 15 minutes, which makes 75 minutes. Work out the difference in minutes. Well, the difference is going to be 85 minus 75, which is obviously 10 minutes. Okay. Question 8. Prussia has 5 blocks of wood. The total weight of all 5 blocks is 3 kilograms. By the way, while I'm thinking, that's 3,000 grams, isn't it? 4 of the blocks each have a weight of 650. Oh, I could work out their total weight, couldn't I? The total weight of the 4 blocks. Well, that is 650 times by 4. You could double it and double it again. I'm going to do a multiplication sum. 4 6s are 24, plus the 2 is 26. So those 4 blocks weigh 2,600. Now let's look at the question. Prussia has 5 blocks of wood. The total weight of all 5 blocks is 3,000 grams. 4 of them each have a weight of 650, so 4 of them weigh 2,600. Work out the weight in grams of the other block of wood. Well, the 5th block of wood must be the total weight, 3,000, minus the weight of the other 4, which will give me a total weight, which will give me a weight for the 5th block of 400 grams. PQR is a straight line. Oh, I know about straight lines. I know that the total of this angle here is going to be 180. All right. Work out the size of angle X. Well, it's going to be 180 minus 100 minus 35. Okay, which is going to give you an answer of 45 degrees.